A very good morning to you all, children. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, students, in last video, what did we study? Yes, we were studying about the grammar part, right? We have completed the second lesson of the grammar also. Yes? Yeah, it was the part of sentences. We learned there the subject and the predicate, right? I think you all got an idea about the subject and the predicate. Yes, students. So, today let's go into the lesson part, English lesson part. Yes, we have studied already about the chapter 1, right? Yeah, what was the chapter 1 name? Yes, can anyone say? Value of cleanliness, right? Yes, it gave us the meaning how to keep ourselves clean to get rid of the diseases and the medicines. Yes, children. So let's go into the second lesson. Let's see what is there in the second lesson. Yes, what is the name of the second lesson? Yeah, it's chapter 2, topic the jamun tree. Yes, what is that? The jamun tree. Yes, have you ever seen the jamun tree, children? What is jamun tree? Yeah, by there it is a tree. By this we can understand it's a tree itself, right? Yeah, in science we have studied what are trees. They are very tall, big and strong plants, right? Yes. So let's see what's going to happen in the lesson. So what is this fruit, children? What fruit is this? Yes, these are mangoes, right? Very good. It's an mango. Where does the mango grows? Yeah, it grows in the tree, right? Look, it has been hanged from the tree. Yes, trees gives us mango. We eat mango, right? Have you ate the mango in the mango season in summer days? Yeah, you have eaten, right? There, some mangoes are sweet and some mangoes are tangy. Yeah? Yes. Next, which fruit is this? Yes, it's an custard apple, right, children? Yeah, look how from where it is grown. Yeah, it's also grown from a plant itself, right, children? Look, it is hanging from the plant itself, yeah? Yes. Can you identify this fruit? Yes, it's an cashew fruit, children. Have you heard about the cashew nuts? Yes, cashew nuts, godambi. In Kannada, they will say godambi. Yeah, that fruit is this. Yeah, it has the cashew in it. It is also grown on the trees itself. Yes. What are these fruits? Can you identify these fruit? Yes, it's an papaya, right? It also grows on the tree itself. Yes, students, see how beautifully it's hanging from the tree. Yeah, see, trees only gives us so many types of food, right? Yeah, look, so many nutritious and tasty fruits they give us. Look, we have seen the mango one, the custard apple also. We saw the cashew. Yeah, cashew nuts also very good for health, right, children? And also the papayas. The papayas are also good for our health. So, look here, there are some oranges also. Yeah, look, where does it grown? It is grown on the tree, right? Look how how all the oranges, the orange color oranges have been hanging from the trees. Yes, look so beautifully. Showing. It's been shown here. Yeah, the picture. Yes, children. So by this, what we understand means the trees gives us fruits to eat. Not only the fruit, but also it gives us vegetables also, children. Yeah. Yes. So let's get into the lesson so that what is jamun we can identify. Yeah. Yes. Do you know the importance of tree? Yes, children, you already know the importance of trees. Yes. What is the importance of tree? Yeah, it gives us many types of fruits, many type of vegetables, and it is so helpful in so many ways. Yes? Yeah. They give us useful things. Let's read about the lesson of the jamun tree and how some people saved it. Yes, the jamun tree is in a trouble. Yeah, so they are saying, let's save it. Yeah, some people have saved it. So let's see what has happened in the lesson. Yes, here there is a tree, right? Yes, it what tree is this? It's an jamun tree, children. It's not fully clear, but it's an jamun tree. Yes. So look here. These are the jamuns. This fruit is an jamun. Nerlandu they will say, right? Yes, these are jamuns, children. Understood? Now there is a jamun season also. In market, the jamuns are available. You can taste that fruit. Yeah, it has a seed inside it. Yes, it has a seed inside it. Yeah, just taste it. It's very sweet. Yeah, just taste. Okay. Yes, children. Look here. It has been hanged from the tree itself, right? Yeah, look how it has been grown with the tree. Yeah. Yes. So let's see the lesson. There was a village near the Panchavati forest. Which forest? Panchavati forest. Two children, Rajat and Aruni, lived in that village. One hot summer day, they would rest and play under the big jamun tree in the forest. Yes, children, I have read the lesson. Have you opened the test book? Yes, open it. Open page number 12 also. In page number 12, you can see the lesson. Yes? Look, once again I will read it. Just keep your finger where I am reading. There was a village near the Panchavati forest. Two children, Rajat and Aruni, lived in that village. On summer days, they would rest and play under the big jamun tree in the forest. So there was a village, children, near the Panchavati forest. Look how the village, have you seen the villages? Yes, look, in this way the village looks. There will be no big buildings, there will be no roads, big roads like the cities. Look how small the roads are and how small the houses are. Yeah, this is called the village. Look here, the people of the village will do their work on themselves itself. Yeah, there will be no vehicles also. Yes, look, they are using the bullock carts. Yes, these are the bullock carts, right? Yes, and look the houses. The houses are also very small. But in the cities, there will be a big buildings, right? It will be so tall buildings, and there will be more vehicles. Yeah, here and there only we can see the bullock carts, but there will be more vehicles. Yes, there will be cars, motorbikes, cycles. Yeah, yes, children. But in the villages, it's not like that. There will be a dogs, hens here and there. They will grow the grow the animals also. Near the villages, there will be a forest, children. Yeah. Yes. Look here. Here also in the lesson there was a forest. What was the name of the forest? Panchavati. What was the name of the forest? It was Panchavati. Yes. What these two? There were two kids. Who were those two children? Rajat and Aruni. Who were they? Rajat and Aruni. You can see in the textbook itself. In page number 12, you can see there. The two children. Yeah. On hot summer days, what they would do? They used to run into the forest and used to play under the jamun tree. Yeah, there was a big jamun tree in the forest. Yeah, the trees will be very big, children, the jamun tree. Yes, look here. Look here, the jamun tree. In this picture, you can see it's very small. Yeah, but in real, they will be very big, huge tree. Yes, so let's continue in the lesson. Yeah, the second para. The jamun tree was big and had a big trunk. It had lots of branches and leaves. Rajat and Aruni loved to sit in its shade. Sometimes they would run around the tree and play hide and seek. They loved to watch the squirrels running after one another. Yes, yeah, what they are saying, the jamun tree was big and also it has a big trunk. Look, the jamun tree is very big, right? What is the trunk, children? Look here, this is the trunk. The down part of the tree is called trunk. This is called the trunk, children. Yes, yes. So what they are saying, it has lot of branches. Yeah, you can't see here, but the jamun tree has lots of branches. Yeah, branches here, there, and also many leaves. Look here, there are many leaves, right? Yeah, so what did Rajat and Aruni loved? They loved to sit under the shade. Yeah, look here, the tree is standing. Under the tree, there is a shade, right? Shade is nothing but Nerlu. Yeah, Neralu. Yes, children, they would love to sit there because if they sit here, there will be nice breeze. The trees gives us air, right? Yeah, it gives us nice air for us. Yes, yes. If they sit under the tree, there will be a shade. The climate will become like it's so cool, and the breeze will be coming. The breeze, nothing but the air. Yeah, they would love to sit there. Sometimes they would run around the tree and play hide and seek. What they used to do, they used to run around the tree and they used to play hide and seek because the trees are very big. If they go and hide behind the tree, no one could see them. Yes, the trees were more. In forest, there will be more trees, children. Yes, there will be more trees. Look here in your textbook also you can see. Yeah, in that picture there are so many trees. Yeah, these both were playing hide and seek. Do you know what is hide and seek game? Yes, it's an which game in Kannada? What they will say? Yeah, bachikona aata they will say, right? Yeah, yes, like that only. They used to play hide and seek, and they would love to watch the squirrels running after one another. Yes, what they were doing, the squirrels also in the trees. Have you seen the squirrel? Yeah, they will run on the tree. Yeah, each after the other, they will be running here and there. They will be jumping from tree to tree. Yeah, they will run down again. They will go up. They will eat something. Yeah, they will collect the nuts. Yes, yes, children, look here. So next, the tree was the home of many birds. Rajat and Aruni liked watching birds bringing twins to build their nests. So what they loved means because the trees on the trees only the birds will build the nest, right, children? The nest are the houses of the bird. Yeah, the bird will live on the nest. On the tree, it builds a nest. and its leaves there. Look here, there is a tree, right? Yeah, in the middle of the branch only they have built the nest. Look, it's a tree. This is the branch of the tree. Yeah, it's a branch of the tree. And here there is a nest. Yes, and it has given eggs, right? Because it comes here and it lives there. Yeah, yes, we have house, right? We live in the house, but the birds live in the nest. Yes, children, look here. Look, so nice it is built, right? See how nice the birds will build the nest. Look, the round shaped nest, right? It has built on the tree, and there is a baby bird, right? The baby bird is crying here for the mother. Yeah, the mother will come and feed her the food. Yeah, and other two birds are also in the egg itself. After some time, it may break, and there will be a formation of a small bird like this only. After some days, what will happen? It will transfer into a beautiful bird. Yes, yes, children. So, look here. There were some squirrels. Yeah, the squirrels were running here and there, right? Not only for birds, it's an home, but also the squirrels love to play. There, look here how the squirrels are running behind one after the other. Look how they are running, right? These are the squirrels, children. Yeah, if you get a chance, look at the squirrel, how they will play. They will come once and they will run again and they will go in search of nuts. If they get the food, they will keep the food in their mouth itself. Yeah, when they get hungry, then only they will remove from that and they will eat. Yes, yes, children. So today we learnt about how these two children loved to play in the forest. Yeah, under the jamun tree. Used to love to sit under the tree. Yeah, what was the forest name, children? Yeah, it was Panchavati forest. Yeah, it was near the village, and we saw that the trees are very important. Yeah, it's not only important for us but also important for the birds and the squirrels. Yeah, because the birds build their nest on the tree. Yeah, it's an home for the birds. The trees are the homes for the birds. If there is no trees, where do they build the nest? Yes, children. Yes, trees are not only important for us, but it's also important for the birds also. Yes, children. So in today's class, we studied about the second chapter, the Jamun tree. So let's continue in the next chapter. Yeah, the next part. So let's meet in the next video. Bye. Take care, children. Happy learning.